Alright, they just pulled up, the haulers. He's gonna drop 2 off with me. I'm gonna hold them. Westgate Towing. Got my storage lot right there. Got the guard dog in there. I'm gonna help him out. I'm gonna store these vehicles for him. Those are the 2 cars he's gonna take off. That white Grand Am, Trans Am, I don't know what it is, but and that Chevy right there, Super Sport truck. I always used to like those trucks, man. They used to look cool. I wanted one. Getting the black one down now. Alright. Westgate Towing right there, dude. Open this lock. Alright. Got the 2 rides in. Nice and safe. Westgate Towing. That's how we do it.